Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course in this tutorial I'll show you how to run a sound test on your Samsung Galaxy device. Of course the feature is built in. So get your remote, so you're going to go to settings. You can see the settings menu here. You're going to go to all settings. Now this is a feature that's built into your TV and it will run a sound test to make sure that sound is working. So you can go down to support. Once you're on support as seen here, go over and notice itself self-diagnostic, meaning to run a self-diagnostic check to check if your speakers are working. Alright, so you can go ahead and select that and of course run through the test. Don't think I'll be running on this TV just in case there's anything copyrighted, but of course the test itself should be quite directly straightforward. Just simply go ahead. Alright, so in this tutorial here, I don't want to get copyright strike for any music because I do not know what it will play. Alright, so that's how to run the sound test diagnostic. Do hope this helped, and as always, Ricardo from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time. Bye guys.